Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and first video of 2020 here on my channel. And what better way than to start this off by saying to you guys, Happy New Year. And yeah, we have a lot to look forward to. We have a crazy amount of changes to happen. And I'm going to talk to you guys about that in this video to kind of give you guys an insight of what to expect in 2020 on this channel. So if you guys didn't catch it, I did a video a couple of days ago and I just picked out a couple of videos from my past videos, took clips out of it, put it together and just showed you guys my favorite videos, my favorite picks of my playlist here on YouTube. And while going through that, I noticed something really crazy about myself. When looking in past videos, I heard the excitement in my voice when I made a video. I saw something that I realized I'm not really doing anymore on the channel. Currently, in past, 2018 to 2019, the dynamic of my channel and everything, the aspect of it, the things that I was doing was completely different. And I didn't like that. I didn't like it one bit. I guess you can say that I had a moment of clarity going through my old videos and seeing how I was making videos, but not the editing side of the videos, not the transitions and different clips, and not background and all that hoopla and humbugs and things like that. But what I'm focusing on is where my mindset was. See, right now, and one of the things that I noticed that is plaguing this community at this point right now is being pessimistic more than being optimistic, focusing on the negatives rather than the positives. And I've succumbed to that way of thinking, and I don't like it. You see, when I look back on my past videos, the things that I've done when I was showcasing Boost mobile phones, Virgin mobile phones, even when I started, diving into unlocked devices, I had an optimistic view on these things. Sure, every phone that comes out is not going to be absolutely 100% perfect. Otherwise, people would be buying that particular phone rather than buying various different types of phones. And different various companies like Samsung, LG, Motorola, HTC, Huawei, Honor, Xiaomi, Blue, Bold, New Mobile. All these different manufacturers have made great, upstanding phones and have made very disappointing phones. And this stems from the most recent controversial phone, the Pixel 4. With all its shortcomings, it seems a lot of us have focused on the shortcomings and not really given it a chance about the positives out of it. Sure, we can point out that it has a weak battery. We can point out that its facial recognition security is flawed. We can always point that out at the end of the day. But when we talk about the good things about the Pixel 4, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're telling people to overlook the bad and buy the phone. No, that is for you to decide. Myself and other content creators should not be influencing your purchases 100%. We should be guiding you to making great purchases that when you spend your hard-earned dollars, your hard-earned paycheck on a phone, that you don't walk away feeling like, did I make a good choice here? You don't have to second guess yourself. You don't have to feel like you were took. And I realized that I played into that and I want to come out of that. And so from this point going forward, yes, I am not going to excuse a phone's shortcomings. I will tell you the good, the bad, the ugly. However, the one thing that I will is emphasize on the things that the phone does good. because that's the thing that we seem to overlook. That's the negativity that's plaguing the community, is that we focus too much on the bad, and then we've created this trend where everyone's expectations is to focus on the bad, hoping and seeing if there's any type of flaw enough to make a video about to gain traction. And that is absolutely wrong. We should be telling you the good, all the good things about the phone, and we should be telling you what is flawed, what is bad about the phone. But we should also tell you from our perspective which outweighs the other, which is the part that's left out a lot. You trash a phone like the Pixel 4, and then you leave it trash and you move on to the next phone. You trash a phone like the Pixel 4, you leave it the way it is, and then you move on to another OEM and you pump that phone. And that's totally wrong. Okay, every phone has its good and every phone has its bad, and we have to recognize both. But if other people, excuse me, got a message, but if other people want to ignore that aspect of a smartphone, I myself will not be ignoring that aspect anymore. And so from this point forward, I'm going to be more optimistic. Yes, I will call a spade a spade. I will call a heart a heart. The whole point is not to be positive, to hide the negative. The whole point of this is to appreciate what a phone can do and understand where its shortcomings are, and to project that for those people so they can make a good, conscious buy. Nothing more, nothing less. That is the whole point. And also to thank everybody who's rocked with me for so many years, who supported the channel for so many years. I really, really appreciate you guys. And for all the new friends and past friends that I've made, I appreciate you guys as well. So if you just found this video and you wanted to subscribe, thanks so much. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed it. And that is it. Welcome to 2020, everybody. Aloha.